Okay, in this video, I'm going to solve a very simple problem. You might ignore this, but you have to be aware that it's there. The problem is there. So, for example, you add a lot of thing here. So it's like a subject. Okay, you add something here. Of course, you can delete it. But what if you delete the whole thing altogether? So for example, here we got a lot of subject. What if we delete the like the outside? Okay, so the things to learn, and we got inside subject to learn. Okay, so you got a sort of data here, but what if we delete the outside, the sort of container? You can solve this problem by adding a relationship here. So basically, just like a two table, you have to make this like a parent table. If you delete this right now, the setting like this, this subject to learn will not be deleted. But we want it to be deleted, so we can say relationship, and we can say delete rule, and then we can say dot cascade. So you will automatically delete if you delete the parent data. All the row that you get inside will be deleted. Okay.